Just a little tipsy dust.
Candlelight speaker, where the air is deathly still. Laboratory when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with foolish delight. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Please take a step away from the walls and gather tightly to the dead center of the
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. Spirits are frightfully sensitive to brightness. Greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here. We have 999 happy volunteers, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? Final arrangements may be made at the end of the day. Unlivable here in this house. Every room has wall to wall. Hot and cold.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you bless, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
Beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wait. You're self-respecting.
Please maintain your tour. We have
Start to sleep. Harmonize. We don't stand to socialize.
They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll want you to continue into
Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!